Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a suite of exercises that can be useful for you. Let's begin with exercise 1. In this exercise we have data of 100 different students in practice tab. Column name are self-explanatory. Your task is to solve the following problems. Create a total column by taking sum of the marks scored in math, reading and writing test and expand it for all students. Create a minimum column to find out the minimum marks scored by each student. Create maximum column to find out the maximum marks scored by each student. Calculate average mark to obtain it by each student. Use average tape to assign a rank. Explore formula tab in the ribbon to learn syntax of rank. Let's go to the exercise. This is what I can have, gender, parental level of education, land, test preparation course, math score, reading score, and writing. So we have math score, reading score, and writing score. How to calculate a total of how to use function sum. In this case we click in the cell, we put equal sum G4 E4. Where is G4? This is G4 to E4. I can see where is formula G4 to E4 and calculate automatically. How to calculate a minimum in this exercise? We use function mean G4 E4 to calculate the mean. The same for max. You use the function max. For average, in French, we say la moyenne of this three module, G4, E4. And we use also the function rank to say who is the first in the section and who is the last. When we use 0, we can say in 0 here for descending, and when we use 1 to use the rank for ascending. Okay, thank you.